Ang nanay ko po ay gusto pa pong gumamit ng scooter. Ang problema po, minsan di niya na alam na sasagasaan niya, buti wala pa rin pong tao. I am concerned po that she's going to really hurt herself, me, o some innocent victims. How do you handle the motor scooter nightmare? Sinagasaan daw niya lahat yung nadadaanan niya. Anong gagawin niya? Nagwawala. Ang sabi ko dun sa kanya kanina, nag-text ako, sabi ko, maintenance excuse, disable mo yung baterya. Sabihin mo under maintenance. Okay? Kung may remote control, Bluetooth, para sa ganun kaya mong i-limit yung speed. The goal here is not para to deceive siya, no? It's to protect her dignity while keeping her safe. So you're stepping in not because they are incapable, but because they're very vulnerable.